Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is February the 4th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. Want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is down 130 points. The Comp is down 37 points. The Russell 2000 is down 11 points here. The S&P is down a little over 14 and a quarter. Taking a look at a couple of the key sectors, the oil index is down 17 and a half points. The BKX, the banking index, is down 60 cents. Taking a look at the commodities, the GLD is up 81 cents, so some buying in the gold today. GDX gold miners up 39 cents. JJC copper down 8 cents, and silver is pretty much flat, down a penny. And USO is down 50 cents. We take a look at the market here. Before we go into that, let's go ahead and discuss what we talked about this morning in our chat room and information that we gave out on our Facebook page that you can follow us at Wall Street Trading on Facebook. We post all our information here. We gave out S1 as $14.99, S2 on the ES $14.96, S3 $14.93, Resistance 1 $15.06, Resistance 2 $15.08, $15.10, and basically we're looking to get short rallies under $15.06 on the ES. We never got that rally. We rallied all the way up to 15.02, and that was it. But that kind of gives us the idea that there were sellers ahead of that level there. People were willing to get short some stocks today. And let me go ahead and tell you how I explain the game plan to the soldiers, a.k.a. hard traders in our room. And we're doing pretty well this morning here. All right, as you can see here, overnight, this 15.06 level was important from last Wednesday. All right, let me zoom in here for you guys, 15-minute chart of the ES. Overnight, you can see this bid was holding at 15.06 on the ES. Once we broke that bid around, around 3 o'clock this morning during the European session when they opened up over there, we started selling off on the ES. Then we broke below our next support level around 15.03. And then when we opened up, we were breaking below this key trend line that we had in play from last week. All right, if you guys recall, that key trend that we had in play from last week, Thursday, we had this nice little compression triangle move that broke out here. All right, you guys can see that right there. So that trend line is still relevant, and the fact that we broke that trend line again right here gave us the clue that we were going to be expecting some selling pressure. But we weren't looking to short the market down here because we were already off 10 points off the highs from Fridays, and it kind of extended. So what we were doing, we were waiting for a rally. But obviously, if we're waiting for a rally and that rally doesn't come, and we start to see sellers come in, then we're going to be looking to get short. Another thing to take note of is on the 5-minute chart, we have a nice little downward channel. All right, you guys know these downward channels usually result to the top side, but when they don't, all right, and we break below them, we get some nice selling pressure. All right, so you can see here on the 5-minute chart, now you can see things a little bit cleaner. You can see that this 14.98 level is holding as support. We try to break to the top of the channel. You can see we trapped some longs that were trying to break that were trying to buy that little trend line right there. We trapped those longs, so we want to call this, not what we want to call this, but this is a bull trap right here, okay? And then once we broke back inside that channel, you can see we're just kind of grinding in here. I'm telling my guys in the room, look, guys, let's not wait to do anything right now. They're kind of grinding the market lower. So unless you're really short something that's pretty weak at a good level, you're going to get chopped up because you could bounce it up any time. But then the real selling started coming in a bit with the volume once we broke below that little key trend line. As you guys know, whenever you break a little downward channel that usually results to the top side, you usually get that nice little selling pressure. That's what kind of came in right there. That's when the volume came in a bit, and that's when we started getting these little consecutive lower closes to the downside. And now we're kind of just grinding out a bit. We hit our target of 14.93 on the ES, and now we're probably going to pop back up. Not really looking to get bullish the market unless we get back above 14.97 and back above this key trend line and hold above it, and then get back above 14.99, the opening price. All right, I know I said that kind of fast, so I hope you guys are keeping up with me. But in any case here, let's take a look at the other sectors. Take a look at some of the other sectors that we're watching. The triple Qs. This morning I tweeted out that the Qs are not bullish at all because we're back below that key 67.38 level. This is a level that I've been highlighting to you guys on the daily chart. So once we broke back below, once we were not able to break above that level right there, then we broke back below the open and price. That's when the selling came in, and that's when the volume came in right there. So that's how the Qs are looking. Let me actually expand this chart here for you guys to make it bigger so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. And voila, there you go. They were not able to break it back up with that 67.38 level, so they sold it. Not bad. Let's see here. Let's take a look at this one. This one's the IWM. The IWM was not able to get above this 90.10 level here, and they sold that one as well. All right, nice little downtrend right there. And then the SPY gapped up here towards gap down, to 150.31. Try to pop up a little bit here. and now it's pretty much doing nothing. But it's kind of back in this little area that we're watching for this little prior support from back here last week Tuesday and Monday, last week Thursday. So we are at some minor support right here at 149.88. One thing that I'm going to be watching for is to see if we can move up towards this 150.18 level. If that level sticks, it's going to be sticking from our resistance that we had from before, which is a relevant level. Also, it's going to be sticking from the little prior breakdown that we had. You see the support we broke down, so now that's resistance. So this is actually going to be a double resistance area from prior price action, all right, and the price action from today. So we're going to be look for that little rally to see if we can maybe get short a rally and see if we actually put in a little lower high and get some sellers involved in this market today a little bit more. So we'll see what happens. But so far we're maneuvering through the market pretty well today. Doing pretty well, guys. Some trades that we called out. If you guys are not following us on the Twitter or the Facebook page, we talked about the coach to the downside. We scalped the little HLF to the top side. We talked about the Sohu in the morning. Talked about 48 being a key level. Sohu broke through 48. Happened pretty fast and happened kind of off guard, so we were not able to watch that one. I mean, once it went to the alert of 48, this thing just sold off. And never really gave you a chance to rally to get short against that 48 level. We caught some Facebook to the downside a little bit on the open, and that's about it. So far, everything's doing pretty well. If you guys are looking to trade with our firm, contact me at C. Cooper at Wall Street Trading. I can give you more information on how you can become a prop trader at our firm. If you're looking to get involved in our chat room, email me at ccooper@wallstreettrading.com, and I'll give you the information for the 14-day free trial. If you like the room, we'll see if we can see what we can do about that. And that's about it, guys. Hope you guys are doing pretty well. So far, it's a good end, a good day, good start to the week, and have a great day. Catch you guys for the after the bell market summary, and make sure you check out our website, wallstreettrading.com, and follow us on Facebook at Wall Street Trading. Cheers.